In today's video, I will show you how instantly clear up your RAM cache. This will work on Windows 10 and Windows 11. We will be using Microsoft official and legit tool to free up RAM cache and make our system performance better. Right click on your taskbar and open up the task manager so we could compare it side by side. Go to performance tab and then click on memory. Now if you look at right side at the bottom, you will be able to see the detailed usage of your RAM that is available, cache, page pool, committed, or in use. Your RAM could be different from this number. The larger this number, the more you will get the benefit from clearing it. Now pull up any browser in your computer and type RAMMap. Open up the first link. You will be landed directly on the Microsoft page. Here, we want to download official RAM map that is 719 KB only. This could take few seconds depend upon your internet speed, and let's download it in the download folder. You will get the zip file here which you need to extract. Right click on the RAM map zip and extract it where possible. Now here we got the RAM map executable file. Just double click on RAM map file. Click Yes to the USC, go through all the agreements and click on Agree. Now here you will see the detailed breakdown on how your RAM is being used. We want to go to Empty option and our required option is Empty Standby. You see that my cache memory is 1.6 gigabyte. Let's see how much it will drop. The process will be instant. Let's click on Empty Standby List and you see how dramatically it's dropped. Now it gets dropped to only 195 or 196 MB. Perfect. And I think it's a big difference. My RAM get dropped from 2 gigabytes to 100 or 200 MB. So that's it about today's quick and to the point video on how to clear up your RAM within a minute. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe ITPK and I will see you in the next one.